guys! Good morning! Happy Easter! Ngayon papunta kami ng by hotel, may doon, Easter egg hunt. First time niya ito mag-join sa sa Easter egg hunt sa by hotel. So, ito yung namin, ticket. Tapos yung pang kids, 880 yata yun. Kasama na yung isang guardian. And nagbili kami ng extra dahil kasama si Kate. Yung tatlo magpunta doon. Ayan yung outfit ni Mika. Mika, come here, be. Be. Nagpatuyo yung nails niya. Nilagyan ko siya ng artificial nails pero hindi siya nag-work dahil natanggal din siya. Tapos ang hirap kasi mahaba yung mga kuko. Tapos parang hindi siya komportable kaya tinanggal niya kagabi. So ayun guys, nagantay kami ng oras dahil 12:15 pupunta na kami doon. Saka mag-ikot-ikot kami. Tingnan namin kung anong mga decoration. So, see you guys.
Why they ask you to go one round? Because you this is very close. You cannot go there. That's why you have to make a round.
Hi guys, so ayun guys, dito na kami sa Bay Hotel. Excited na si Mika. Smile. Excited na kami. Ha? So yun guys, dito na kami sa third floor. Mag-start siya ng 1 p.m. Pero may mga kids na din dumating maaga. Medyo maaga pa yan, 12:36 pa lang guys. Antayin muna natin yung antayin mag-1 o'clock. Pwede tayo pumasok. Pwede na pumasok. Ay. Slowly na.
Baby checking?
Oh, yeah. Bilis.
How many coupons you think you?
Hi. Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you, miss.
I think everyone already have a poem signed up for
I think I want to take home this cute chick. Can I send you home? He said yes. Go to the space near the registration area and have your face painted. No. I'm sorry. This is the last one. Can do the 3-in-1 like yes. Okay.
Okay. For the photo. Okay. Hooray! I think everyone
Stay in the tables, buddies. I need you right here. Are you ready to listen to a new story? Yeah.
Yes,
Are you ready? All right, everybody. This is this.
Buddy friends.
Buddy friends. Buddy friends. Nice. So guys.
Ayun guys, tapos na kaming mag-Easter egg hunt. Ang saya at mabait si Vito guys, hindi siya naglikot. Kain lang siya ng kain. So, yun, kami uwi na.